This is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Lover's Lane Playlist. Our hosts are Shabby Meets Bling, Up All Night DIY, and Carolina's Daughter. Please check out their amazing channels and all the fun Valentine's Day creations in the playlist. Okay, we're going to start by painting our heart red. I think you can get these at the Dollar Tree, but I think you can also get them in a big pack on Amazon. So it's wherever you find them. I think these came from Amazon. And we're going to just paint it red. And then this is a palette from Dollar Tree. We're going to paint it pink. I just need a few decorations to go on my entryway table. And I thought I'd make a few. I'm still doing the transition from Christmas over to Valentine's. Let me know if you're still taking down your Christmas and if you started putting up your Valentine's. My husband decorated our mantle in the living room, which will be in an upcoming video if it hasn't already released. By the time this video came out, you get to see my husband decorate, which was kind of... Okay, now we're gonna paint this heart pink. This is a scrap block of wood that I was using for another project. And I thought I'd just use it for our Valentine's Day project. This is just school glue. Brush it on. You could also use Mod Podge if you wanted to. I'm using what's on my desk right now. And this is a piece of fabric. I got squares. I think I got them at Temu a long time ago. And I thought I'd just use that because it would fit our block perfectly. Now I'm going to add our heart that we painted on top. This is just the kids' rings at the Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day. Let's see if I can break more of that off. Let's glue our heart onto our palette here. Okay, now I'm going to add a little rope to this. I want to try to keep the rope together. Then I'm going to add a little rope, I think, to the bottom too. Oh, this is a broken palette. That was from the Dollar Tree. It was broken. Just because it's broken doesn't mean you can't turn it into something cute. Okay, now we're going to add, of course, a nice big bow. Like right there. Okay, here's our two DIYs. First off is our wood block, scrap wood block. And this is our broken palette from the Dollar Tree. So I guess we did some scrap projects today.